Hey guys, we're out here today and we want to introduce you to our Gen 5 rear coilover conversion. Now this has been a staple in our lineup, but with the Gen 5 there was a change, and so we had to redesign, and we're excited to be announcing this right away. You're gonna have the two options, which you might be used to if you look online at our Gen 4. We have an X1, which is a piggyback compression adjustable shock, and then the X2, which is compression and rebound, and the kit's gonna come ready to be bolted on. There's no special parts needed other than what come in the kit that we provide. Converting the factory Gen 5 from torsion springs, which you don't see in here anymore, to a coilover shock. And to do that, we provide the shock absorber, which is tuned, and we have a couple of different options. We have a standard and aggressive. I've been riding the standard on this prototype, and I love the standard myself. I'm about 200 pounds, so probably 215 or 220 with gear, and the standard works really good. So unless you're over 220 and really aggressive, you're probably not going to want the aggressive setup. But if you are going for big sends and you really need that extra rate that's going to come and dampening change in the aggressive setup, stick with the standard. But it's going to come with your guide rods here, and these ones here are prototypes, so they're billet aluminum. The production ones are going to be black, and they're going to be engraved with zebras on the side, and then your upper bracket. And other than that, a one bolt that's in the kit. Everything else is going to reuse factory hardware and your factory parts, so it's a really simple install, something that you can do in your garage, and it really does improve the ride quality over the factory torsion setup quite a bit. It's very noticeable on the trail, but what I like the most is that it's progressive. So we're able to pick up all that supple small bump stuff and make it ride really good, but also because of the geometry change that we've made, it's progressive, meaning that it resists bottoming. So you're still able to have that ski lift you want, and you have a compression adjuster on both options, so you can open or close this compression adjuster to add dampening or take dampening away. So if you want to hold the skis down, you can close that, and the front end will just slam to the ground and hold you as you're going up chutes and stuff like that. And if you open the compression adjuster, it'll wheelie more so that you can do those re-entries and some of those fun playful things in the powder. But the progressiveness is very nice because it eliminates that sagging that the factory setup has and just gives you that ride quality that you're looking for out of a Zebras product. We're really excited about this product. We've had it for the Gen 4 and it's phenomenal. This one's slightly different for the Gen 5, and we're excited. It does all the good things that the Gen 4 did, and even some better things as far as the guide rods being billet and some of the trick cool parts that come in this kit. So as always, check it out at zebrasracing.com and go to your local Zebras dealer. Tell them to get you one coming right now and get it on your sled. You can do this yourself, so make it happen. And don't forget to like and share and check out all of our other videos.